So here I have a form already set up, and I'm capturing data about companies. So each entry is a separate company, and then we have various data points here like market capitalization, revenue, profit, and these are all in millions of dollars. And these happen to be companies from the Fortune 500. And with all this numerical data, there's often a need to perform some kind of analysis or kind of understand the data using summary statistics. And that's exactly what the summary reports feature allows you to do. So like I said, you can use a form as a data source. You can also use a view as a data source. I'm going to show you how both of those work, but we'll start with a form. And I'm going to show you how to do this just using a WordPress block. So that means you'll be able to embed these summary reports anywhere on your site. And yeah, so the example I'm going to go through is basically looking at how to calculate the average profit for companies across different industries. So as you can see, we've got all these different industries here that companies are in, but we want to know, okay, what's the average profit for all of these different industries? And this is one example of how summary reports can help us achieve that kind of thing. So let me go ahead and create a new page, and I'll just give it a quick name here. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the new GravityMath summary block to my page. And that's been added. And now I just need to configure it here on the right-hand side in the block settings. So let me go ahead and zoom in a bit so you can see. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is select a source. And in this case, it's going to be my form. And then I can choose a form from the list here. I'll choose my Fortune 500 form. And then I'm going to choose a field to group by. So this is how summary reports works. It allows you to group entries by a common field value and then perform calculations on those groups. So I'm interested in average profit per industry. So I'm going to group by industry. And then I can choose what mathematical operation I want to apply on that group. And we have support for count, sum, average, min, or max. In this case, I'm interested in the average. And then I need to select the field that operation is going to apply to. So in this case, it's going to be profit. And then as you can see, now that I've configured the block, we have a live preview that actually updates here on the left. So this is what it looks like in the editor. It's essentially a table where you have all the industries here, the field that you're grouping by. And then here we have the average profit. But we can continue to configure things. For example, I can choose the amount of decimals. So I can round the output if I want to 0 decimals, so it looks a bit cleaner. I can choose to sort. So in this case, I want to see the highest first. So the industry with the highest average profit. And then I can choose if I want to display all of them or just the top 3, top 5, or top 10. So let's do top 10. And then I can change the label that will, the column label for the table, for the output. So this is by default industry, that's fine. Let's go ahead and change the operation label to average profit in millions. Okay, now all I need to do is publish the page, and then we can view it on the front end. And here is what the summary report looks like. So it's a simple table. We've got all the industries on the left and the average profit here on the right. And yeah, you can imagine there's plenty of use cases for this. It's a really nice way to kind of extract insights from your data and get an overview of everything. So if you do work with numerical data a lot, then I think this would be very helpful for you.
I love this so much.